Why do personal injury attorneys get such a bad reputation?
Well, there's a combination of things at play. Everybody thinks that lawyers are the worst spinners and sleazy and ambulance chasers until they need one. And when you need an attorney, they become your champion. They're the ones representing your interests while the insurance companies are doing their best to mitigate your damages and decrease the liability on their clients. So a couple of factors come into play. Firstly, you have to remember the publicity that comes out there. These cases are decided by jurors who hear all of the facts and come with a decision. But the publicity comes on big high-profile cases with big verdicts, which are very rare. A big example that I hear very frequently is the McDonald's decision, where the woman got burned by the hot coffee, and how people remember that as being a multi-million-dollar verdict, when the truth is that she was the 300th person who made a claim against McDonald's for having their coffee so hot. So that verdict, which everybody remembers as being multi-million dollars, was less than $1 million after it went through the process. In terms of personal injury attorneys' reputations, we must remember that these manufacturers of products and businesses aren't necessarily making decisions with your interest in mind. By way of example, asbestos has been taken out of our walls not because builders and manufacturers were worried about lung cancer. It was their fear of litigation. Silicone implants that were migrating into women's bodies, they weren't stopped because the manufacturers were worried that their profits would go down. They were worried about litigation. And it's litigation that makes differences and makes the products manufactured here in the United States and entering our markets the safest in the world. So before you disparage every personal injury attorney, make sure you choose somebody with experience and with integrity to represent your interests, and realize that lots of great differences have been made in the world because of the actions and our jury system.